Let's start with Nana. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to your weekly check in. Nana, let's hear from you. How are you doing? And how are you finding the course?
Hi everyone. So far it's a bit challenging. I'm busy with JavaScript and yeah, I'm currently on the discount challenge. I'm busy with that. It's a bit challenging, but so far I'm doing good. I can't complain. Thanks.
All right. And in terms of JavaScript, are you enjoying it? How are you finding it?
Um, I sort of low key enjoy it as I do the practical challenges, but some things I don't understand. But like thanks to Leo, Leo is my best friend, so yeah, I use Leo a lot.
Okay. I
Yeah,
like that you're using our family member. That's really amazing.
yeah.
AI guys definitely abuse that. It's definitely how you guys will get to understand concepts faster as well. So great initiative on using Leo Nana. In terms of how are you finding the coding challenges?
Um, the coding challenges, they make you understand the concepts. That's how I see them. Like I'll be reading, so I'm not really like when I read, I'm more of like a video person. So as I get to the challenges, I find them, I understand the concept, and yeah, they're really good for understanding JavaScript and everything.
Hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Basically, coding challenges are important so that you can be able to work on your problem solving skills. And that's just basically what we want you to focus on. And these coding challenges are also important because it's what the recruiters will be testing you on in the technical assessments. So I would say really pay a lot of attention to them. They're very, very important. We also have like resources like HackerRank, Free Code Camp, Code Wars, where you can practice your problem solving of data structures and algorithms. And I think it's a great thing to start looking at those, especially so early in your journey of coding, because once you finish with the course, that's going to be the most important part to help you land a job. That's the best advice I'll give you guys today. Work on those a lot. Let's hear from Mamello.
Hi guys.
Hi, Mamello. How are you
Um,
finding JavaScript?
I haven't been able to move on to the next lessons because I've been struggling to submit my last project, my last website. So I'm still dealing with that.
Okay, which project are you struggling with?
Um, I think it's recreating the Microsoft website.
Okay. All right. Can you, after this meeting, can you stay behind so we can have that chat? Because I remember I contacted you yesterday and asked if we can jump on a call, but you only responded very late.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I was on a call with Bongani and he tried to help me, but still it wasn't resolved. And then we said we'll meet yesterday. We couldn't because of load shedding. So I guess maybe we're gonna be meeting today.
All right. Just stay behind the call so that I can help you out with that. Let's hear from Murangi. Murangi. Okay, looks like he's not there. Luandile, are you there?
Hi.
Hi, Luandi. How are you finding JavaScript?
Yeah. Um. challenging,
Mm.
very very challenging. So for me, okay, I'm done with my task. My problem is when it comes to the 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 thing of the senior, what is it, where you have to say if age, the if statement. I'm there with by the if statement task. So I'm having trouble with the message just disappear after like 2 seconds. But the code is fine. And then I find it a bit challenging, but I do like have like other resources that I like kind of like learn. And if I don't understand something, I try to find like other resources, and then it quite also helps a lot. Yeah,
Okay.
it does help, but then it is challenging.
Okay. And then where are you currently on the course? Are you on week one or week two?
Mm, I think I'm on week. I think I'm by the end of week one, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. All right. Yeah, guys. I know JavaScript is very intimidating at the first glance, but once you get a hold of the concept, the basic concepts of it, or the fundamentals, you will really you will really see that it's not that difficult. If you put yourself and you just allow yourself enough time to understand what are conditional statements, why do we use them, right? Or what are the different, how can I declare a variable using JavaScript, and why do I even use a variable? So when you start questioning why do I use this, or why is the syntax like this, then you are able to just understand it better. Basically, the power of JavaScript is to for you to realize that you are adding such powerful functionality to your applications, right? And also the best practices for you to be able to do so. Let's see from Mnelisi.
Hey guys, how's everyone doing?
We're good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too.
How are you
Um,
finding JavaScript?
it's been very interesting and kind of challenging, but with every challenge, I just try and outsource to other resources and try to. I was on We School a lot because you practice the syntax step by step, so that made it easier for me. So I don't have any complaints so far.
Okay. And have you started with your project?
Yes, I've started with the breaking down of the projects, not the initial coding of it, like with breaking down the problem and how I'll have to tackle it. That's what I've
Mm.
started with.
All right, all right. I wanted to share uh, an article with you guys on reversing a string, for example. And also, there are so many ways like you can do it, right? And the resources will also guide you on this. So when you find a solution, also look at other resources on what their way of um, solving a solution, solving the problem, right? So I like what Mnedisi is saying, that you're literally just sourcing out to other resources. When you find a solution, try to find another solution. Maybe there's a more easier solution that out there, you know. So yeah. I don't know if I've spoken to everyone. Junaid. Junaid, you're not part of this cohort, right?
Oh, yes, but I help managing the code.
Okay. All right, guys. Do you guys have any questions? What can I help you guys with? Junaid, you have your hand up again?
So just to add on what Table said, learning JavaScript is like learning how to ride a bike. You eventually learn once you get on the bike and start pedaling. So, like for instance, you can take 4 hours, split it into two each, learning something, and then the other 2 hours practicing it, coding. It means a coding a long video, 2 hours, and then 2 hours practicing what you've learned. That's actually the best way that helped me to learn
Mm.
JavaScript.
Yeah, and there's always different ways to kill a cat, basically. All right. Okay, guys. I sent you guys another link. Maybe you guys can look at that link, and then maybe next week let's go through how to reverse a string together. Because I realize sometimes we just go through this course, and then we don't really understand or go back to understanding what we're actually learning, right? So maybe next week, look at this way of reversing a string, and then everyone just comes and tells us, okay, this is how I reversed my string, and this is how I understand it. Because, guys, these things are so important. I cannot stress it enough. It's very important for you to land that job, and this is the first step to getting that job that you want. I wish I learned these things way earlier in my journey when I started coding. So this is why I'm telling you guys about it now. Because it's very intimidating that you know how to code all these beautiful websites, but then you don't know how to solve problems, because that's the main description of a software engineer. You need to be able to solve problems, and that's what they test you on with these data structures and algorithms. So I sent you the links. Please share it with your other team members. So next week I'll ask you guys to just share how you reversed the string and why you chose that particular way of reversing a string, and make sure you understand it as well. So that's my little homework for you guys. If you guys have any further questions, I think we can end the meeting here. Just to touch on, let's see next week what is expected of you, because you guys are now on level 3, an intro to JavaScript, and you're supposed to be done with week 1, so you should be on week 2. So this week you'll be touching on an intro to JavaScript in the browser, DOM manipulation and events, working with forms and validation, error handling, which is a beautiful way of catching errors before you even break your, or someone using your application breaks your application. Ways of debugging, performance, and optimization. Those are the topics you'll be covering for week 2. Then week 3, you'll be working on your capstone projects. So I think I already shared with you guys, you need to do an individual shopping cart. Then you will do the creating a dice game with your partner. Yes. So let me just check the dates again. I'm sure I shared these dates with you already. But week 2. So today you should be already on week 2. Next week, you should be starting with your capstone project on the 20th. On the 20th, and then on the 27th, you'll be presenting your projects. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. Any questions? No questions? Nana? Nana?
Oh, sorry. Um, I wanted to ask about the date. Since we'll be having like a long weekend and then we're supposed to present on Wednesday, the 27th. Is it not possible to like add one day to that? Maybe push the presentation to the 28th, or maybe the holidays don't apply in my here at my thought.
When is the holiday? My bad. My bad. When is the
Um,
holiday?
the 24th,
On a Sunday.
I mean the 25th of, yeah, on Monday.
Okay. Uh, And you are suggesting that we push it a day.
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Only because the holiday is falling on a Sunday, right? So also I don't want you guys to be left behind. That's the other thing. Because now you guys are at a pace and we want you guys to finish at record time. So I know that there will be days where I will need to give you guys an extension. I know those days are coming, and those days are going to be when you guys start doing React and you're very close to React. So you will
Okay.
get your extensions on those days. Don't stress. But for this one, no, no, no. I don't think so, guys.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you.
All right, guys. All right, everyone. That's it from me. I will see you guys next week. Enjoy coding. Bye.
Bye.